everybody, welcome back to our channel Silly and Quack. And today we're going to do a experiment where we're going to have this balloon. We're gonna poke the middle with some sharp scissors. And then the water will definitely come out of this balloon, but it'll be really cool.
Yeah.
It'll look like the water's frozen.
Yeah.
But if I put my hand there, it'll still be ready. So let's do it. Doesn't it look frozen, everybody?
Yeah.
So that's our scientific experiment. It was really cool. Thank you for watching. Bye.
And make sure to like and subscribe for watching more fun videos like this.
Yeah, bye.